Section C, question number 27. In the given figure, PB is a tangent to the circle with the center at B. AB is a chord of the circle of length 24 cm and at a distance of 5 cm from the center of the circle. If the length of PB of the tangent is 20 cm, find the length of OP. Given OM is equal to 5 cm, AB is equal to 24 cm, PB is equal to 20 cm, OP equal to എത്രയാണ് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കണം. OM perpendicular to AB, also OB perpendicular to PB. OM perpendicular to AM. Therefore, AM is equal to MB, that is equal to 12 cm. OB perpendicular to PB, since tangent perpendicular to radius. നമുക്ക് ആദ്യം ഈ ട്രയാങ്കിൾ നോക്കാം. ഇൻ ട്രയാങ്കിൾ ഒ എം ബി, ഒ ബി സ്ക്വയർ ഈസ് ഈക്വൽ ടു ഒ എം സ്ക്വയർ പ്ലസ് എം ബി സ്ക്വയർ. That is OM square is 5 square plus MB is 12 square. That is equal to 25 plus 144. OB square is equal to 169. Therefore, OB is equal to square root of 169. That is 30. OB perpendicular to PB, since radius is perpendicular to tangent. Therefore, in triangle OBP, OP square is equal to OB square plus PB square. That is OB is 30. 13 square plus PB is 20. That is 169 plus 400. Therefore, OP square is equal to 569. OP is equal to square root of 569. This is our answer.